Hello, Makawa Fufu TVC. Yeah, happy New Year to our cherished subscribers and viewers. Yes, I feel Akaba on the tree. This will be out here. Yes, yeah, and then what I say we have a show how we first already. Best also for us our products. Yeah, this 2023 in the end, but I'm do so the TV and last year what me answer to business. This very year, yeah, so to me money now it what me should be say more. Yes, 80 mean importation. Yeah, we have a lot of people going to them. Some have their way out, as in how I'm better money, as also for market some products. A people me talk and more one. But I know there were some people who are they are new to this business and they would like to start and they will need assistance. Yes. So in order to start importation, first of all, you have to get a supplier. Yes, and having a supplier, obviously, you need to get a platform. If I can now a supplier, yes, and for full imports, we buy and ship your goods for you to Ghana. Yeah, like from China to Ghana. And your platform you use here, Pinduoduo, Alibaba, and 1688. But the normal ones and the regular ones are for Air Wealth, A1688, um, Alibaba. Yeah, it's the first one I ever got from A1688. It's the first one you ever got to your browser and not affiliated. 1688 now. I jump into the process. I'll share my screen with you guys. Okay, the Uber will search bar, just type 1688.com. Alright, it's an aside in it here. Then here you Chrome say Chrome automatically or bit more translate it English now site now because almost site name Chinese. So we use the app now ultimate translate it. But we use Chrome now, it's a Chrome or more language translator. It's a bit more translator code. In case if you are use it phone now automatically and translate it now use the PC now automatically Chrome and translate now. Drop box here that I say as say your English your Chinese simplified your English and you can either choose Chinese and I say which choose English. And see my ticket must always translate Chinese simplified. It's not automatically maybe a site in my I translate our English in. Now I say I right click it any free space of the website now but translate to English and then I will see as we translate it site and our page to English so first never to search for a product. We're searching for product and so let's say we're searching for shoe. Yes, and see we're searching for shoes. These are the products of shoes now that work up so I'm there. I'm the other. And one quick thing. So we use sites now. We use sites in our phone, so I don't have access to this option. But unless if you're using PC and I will access to this option, that will be to me as such at the end using um this icon, camera icon. ABA or product go machine so we say on search here and only man already to go use the way now for the facility free machines. Yes, who use the app now, which might use this, which might use this option, and I who use the site on a PC. Yes, but if you're using the site on a phone now, you don't have access to that feature. It's challenge. It's not so click this one. It will send you back to local file. Any product be up, it's all search it, and you can just add it up. Now I can search. And now we have the shoes over here. And let's say some person product be first one. You have to copy the link and send it to the agent who's going to buy it for you. But I think some people do mistake over here. If you are or buy now who sell product we now no right clicking now or copy linking. Now or they are sending. So in this way now may click this now may person may go back to the same product now open up. Ever send me back to the homepage of the site. Yeah, I see. mean product TBR. Yes, that's so. This is not a proper way of trying to copy a link of a product to send to someone who's going to buy it for you. But instead of right click, no, I'll copy link, just click on the product and to say, I saw be product, the product, and I has said, my bar saying now, these are the details of the product I'm having. The product description was here and say, hey, yes, and it has an already. But copy link in any are free. And I would like to explain something to few. Few we are much of my copy link. And about top was saying now, I say you're 60. So 60 you want actually say price no one of the brands is 60. But supplier say all to free 300 they could see 999 made about 58. So that's the MOQ. Supplier go obviously must set just MOQ with one price. And typically was always set from 30 pieces going with just 60 you want. So I just say we are on so but auto free 30 cities auto free 30 pieces going to below 30 pieces. Into other mouse. No, but we saw how ultimately set variations. Despite the MOQ no, price ranges on to me a set variation. Ultimately set MOQ of 300 to 999 pieces. And what's not the price in the song and auto 3,000 so far and 356. Until with this no, the more now to be bring up or so. Yes, so this one advantage. See we out to know we put me a lot of discounts or prices. Yes, and this is what you do. Until but has says now this means a replace your that to translate it site now. See your order now, but try to order you have to use the app to order products on 1688. And it's a click order so nothing shows. We remember I don't say a bit some dialogue be a man I catch you say use the app. So that's it. And yes, so this is what I'm talking about. How it see the baby to place order. You just have to use the app. Yes. Yeah, so this is very simple. Come with us already. Versus for one I will put that using 68 website. So the next one is how to copy the link. And your top was here now. So we use phone now. On the top one now, you option click to copy link. Yeah, to click is what link in your copy. You can share with anybody that you want to purchase your product for you. Yes, and also use site now. This is the link and you share has say now highlighting but long too much and you can copy up to some standard still now it will lead us to this page for us to buy the product for you, which is click starting from HTTPS and one now say your details your .1688.com offer your this code. The next one here .html. This way you have to start copying the link and as a copy feature, this way you have to end it. And copy process free HTML no anymore. Now I highlight every single last part. Yes, and this is the only thing that you have to copy. And to me highlight it section now. Yes, copy it. Into find here my copy now. Replace search button now and send it here. Me click this one. It will just send me to the home page. The product details of what I searched. And if you are supposed to send me any link now, this is how you have to do it. And to copy link in this form now, send it to me. If I'm using the app now, it will also open this same page on the app. So what I said, multiple place order ID amount. So this is how I wait my as also for I put that. Like I said, we charge for this section 80. So be our price be 50 because in source we have to charge you before we can do that. But you can also cut off that cost and do it your own. Just send us the link and we'll just proceed placing the orders for you. Yeah. So the next one is Alibaba. Okay, so website no send it here. Okay, so Masani ma be Alibaba website. So it is the same process. Intuition has seen now your that camera icon will say which my as a child you're using this camera icon and it will open um the product that you want for you. Every be similar products, same as the same products for you. And with me so as a child at the corner to us as well. Yeah, and it's an American. With this product, so in case if you are this is what you want to buy now, and so click this one, then it will open the details of the product for you. And it is the same as the 1688 one. So 1688, say that your picture, I was saying that it was different picture format as well as you see. And to me view like how I put that Etian Casa. And your MOQ is when you MOQ started free to 93 98 and we 11 point let's say $11.60. That's one pair yeah, but we can buy from you cannot buy just one, it has to be two to 98. Now we that price never yeah, not 99 to 298 so what about be more $11.09. Yes, and your 299 to like maybe almost 1 million. Almost 1 million. Yes. Until then it's where then everyone want this price. And out of from that number that was it. So or the amount $5.70. Yeah, until fans are turn the see as in our until all the balance also to one probably for so very as in depending on auto maybe a 5 return. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. But there's one trick in mini importation that episode. Yeah, because so all start business now. Even though say you don't have much capital to start. Yes, but I believe say there will be people around that would also love to start because the less you buy the product, the higher it costs. So let's say MOQ or supplier I don't say old ton two 11 $11. But also from this section here but or the more 10. And he said will be our auto product no we bring no when you know about 4 we bring. So what I say when you a lot of discount. Now when auto 2 also anya discount we bring. And with this one so we the banner of it one. And so overall also 20 the same price now we turn. Once for so now we bring you're on 200 300 plus. Who nyasa the first one is there we are swearing a ton. Yes, 80 always try as much as possible to buy more products. And side advantage it's not just effective on the buying side but the shipping side is also more advantage over there. So let's say yeah, one CBM is $250. So one CBM a bigger amount yeah to draw it tells and I say product so is below one CBM and if 0.9 up to 0.1 and even 0.01 upon and so price for so that one we charge under $290. So what I say so don't know what to know we brain check out the one get those on ID mechanism shipping cost those. Yeah, but this time around, we never does my shipping cost and those. But so no one now shipping cost and those. So someone who's buying one CBM will probably pay for $250 for a CBM. But if your product is not up to a CBM, Now what on supposed to be you'll be charged under $290. That's why I say obina ne one product na one CBM no ne shipping cost no ended like every product will be, but after say what in the number now or turn one obiyan for so as one also auto fuel na you charge you under 2.90 $290. Yeah, no be for so be ready as you. It is a auto name will be a try as much as possible to buy bebre. And now say be a who will be a with me up amount for wedding almost more around not no wedding I come on when I go. You do one CBM, you pay for a lower cost. As in say wakasa we ship wakasa with the na they are very below a CBM now if you watch your charge one that. Yes, so there's a trick in this one. So you have to take note of that. Try as much as possible to order so many goods, like ship so many goods to benefit the kind of saying to get a lot of profits. Yes, and the more now on the doors no na shipping costs a few. Yes, and this is a trick. So yeah, so instead of a can which might use for imports to get everything that you want from China. Yes, just a few days, less than 45 days, you will get your goods. Yeah, and if you want to place an order using for imports now, we can help you place order. We can buy the thing for you and ship them from China to Ghana for you as well. Yeah, and yeah, a lot of videos concerning this importation starting of this channel. Yeah, and we recommended a lot of shipping agents to you guys. Yes, and there were some quite complaints that were coming out, and because of that, now we came up our own importation system. Yeah, so that's for free import. So if you watch the video, really, if you're really ready to start the business now, you just use free imports to create any issues and hassles. That's why we created this system for you guys. Yes, in case if you want to use free imports now, you just have to go to freeimports.com and sign up. I have a video on that one, how it's not signing up, how we use free imports. The link will be placed in this video. You can just check it out and proceed with that. Yeah, so that's it for the day. And my name is Bernard. Yes, and if this today happens to be the very first time about your channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell to get any update that bro or this channel about business. Yeah, it's not just about business. We have other content coming up. So stay tuned and expect them. Bye.